I was debating putting some jack stands under the axles on the RV just to get it off the ground. Um, I'm worried the tires are just going to deflate, and I'm going to come up here one day and it's going to be listed to one side. Man, I found these on Amazon. It's a 4-pack. It says it's for 6,000 pounds. I'm not going to raise the trailer on these, but I'm going to put a couple blocks under it and put it right up on the frame. And you know, hopefully if the tires do run flat, they don't, the trailer doesn't sink, and maybe it'll stabilize as well. So yeah, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna make a couple blocks here and we'll get them under the trailer. I'm gonna put it close to the wheels. Mine's a double axle, so I'll put 2 in front of the forward wheels and 2 just behind the rear. They already have the built-in stabilizer arms, but hopefully this helps. So I'm under the trailer. This is the setup I got. I just took a couple of pressure treated boards. I think that's a 2x6 and a 4x4. Both pressure treated, and I put one, I could say, right behind the axle, and another right up there before my sewer line. I'm not lifting the RV, I'm just cranking it down, and hopefully it's just going to keep these tires. You can already see they're sunk in the ground a bit. They're fully inflated and they're still in good shape, but I just thought this to take some pressure off and hopefully stabilize inside the RV. You can tell me in the comments if this is stupid or if I should do something else and go back to my original plan of using jack stands. But anyway, this was a cheap solution. I'll put the link to the product on Amazon. I think they were 50 or 60 bucks for 4. I thought that was pretty good. I think it was cheaper than Princess Auto. So anyway, this is it.